Hey yo, good morning guys, welcome back to another video. We in the Z with it, you feel me? Let me get y'all a little you mean, hold up. Jeez, man. Let me get y'all one more, hold on. We gotta put the skid plate on today, adjust this, the windshield wiper, because that should be going. Shit. Oh, the gauges. I might actually try to re-RTV this, just RTV this up here. I think that's all we need. I'm not really that good with RTV. Niggas at the shop know, but yeah, we might try to RTV this up, just adjust this to make it a little bit better. And I think that's it with the Z. We might be fixing this other car. I'm gonna try to do an even trade. If I fix this one car, I'm gonna get another car for free. Subscribe, like, comment. We're gonna get the skid plate on. I've been running it without a skid plate, so I want to clean underneath the car, make sure there's no rust. And yeah, so basically just get all the oil and shit, clean it up, make it look clean, and then put the skid plate on. Yesterday we went off-roading. We went back roading with the Mini Coupe. Dale was driving, I wasn't driving. I might try to drive it one day. We might also try to track the Mini Coupe. It's been running pretty good so far. It has 250,000 kilometers on it, so I don't know how long it's gonna last. But new supercharger, you feel me? That's the homie. But yeah. Sheesh. So I'll see y'all at the shop, man. But yeah. He's playing music, but we're just cleaning it out right now. Sheesh. Sheesh, nigga. Stop, nigga. Bro, just get the fuck away, actually. Okay, nigga.
When's
It's in, nigga. Out of this. Sheesh. Alright, my boy. So we took off the door, and this little piece is broken. So we're gonna try to double bubble this hole and see if it'll work. But we're gonna see. Just for now, we'll probably just order a new piece later and just see how it works. Fixing all the little things on the Z.
I know way too many people here right now.
E-Pod got it looking though. Ooh, oh damn. It breaks. It should be good. It might hold for like two to three times and then it's gonna break again. It's a little things, you know? Little thing. That's on God, nigga.
I gotta pee so bad.